तो चैनल पार्टनर का जो हमने रखा है वो बिल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक एम्बेसडर है चैनल पार्टनर। और उनकी क्या वैल्यू है आज महसूस हो रही है हम लोग को, क्योंकि वो ही सही कस्टमर को लीडर और दोनों के बीच का काम कर सकते हैं। तो ये काम आज हमने फर्स्ट लॉन्च किया इस प्रोग्राम से, चैनल पार्टनर को आगे लेके आए हैं।
So just to give you a brief background, with all this war happening in the various countries and the world being in such a turmoil that we are, India is such an intensive part, and now the world has become one, so we cannot but get away from the global reality. So without it being our fault, we are pulled into this turmoil, as you may say. And we were just brainstorming as to what we can do to reinvigorate the real estate industry. And a thought came to us that the channel partners who are the true ambassadors of our real estate industry have always stood with us hand in hand through tough times and through good times. So we thought that this is the need of the hour to push sales, to push marketing, to push branding. Let's have an event which is dedicated to the channel partners so they can come and they can get closer to our association, and together we can drive sales and we can push the market in the right direction. So this is the first of the kind expo that we are having. Nikunj Sukraji, the idea behind this entire enterprise, and I'm glad that it worked out, and the turnout which was there is phenomenal. So I hope everyone does good business over here. Thank you.
Friends, channel partners are the bridge between the developers and the actual customers. Very nice. So it's a trust. It's building a trust. So last 25 years, MCHI is organizing exhibition, and it's called a flat purchase. Now first time we have thought B2B exhibition. Why? Because we can explain them our project very well, and they can associate with the majority of the developers. Because when they come to the actual exhibition, they don't find a good time. And they are working with one or two developers only, and maximum 3. So here they get opportunity to understand other developers also, understand the idea, understand the creativity of the developers. So it's a golden opportunity for them also. The platform will be a very big, they can understand what amount of business they can do. See, today Mumbai, huge construction is going on, and MMR also. So they can plan their budget, what amount of business they want to do, 100 CR, 500 CR, 1000 CR in a year. So that is our motto, to explain them that a huge potential market is there. They can plan their business in a such a way that they can accumulate the great business. So this is the first ever exhibition B2B, where we have a direct interaction with our channel partner. As Babar Irani has told, first अपन बोलते थे ब्रोकर है, फिर बोलते थे दलाल है, then channel partner. Now we say ambassador. Why? Because they are the person who can take our project to the ultimate freight purchase. So we say as a brand ambassador. So this was the purpose that we achieved.
आपने बताया कितने टोटल यहाँ पे चैनल पार्टनर्स और कितने डेवलपर्स हैं इस फर्स्ट एवर प्रॉपर्टी एक्सपो में?
सो ये इवेंट में हमारे साथ 48 एसोसिएशंस जुड़े हुए हैं यहाँ पे। 48 एसोसिएशन है, एवरी एसोसिएशन हैज़ नॉट लेस देन 300 मेंबर्स। आप गिन सकते हैं तकरीबन 2 से 2,500 चैनल पार्टनर्स एम्बेसडर्स हमारे साथ ये इवेंट में जुड़े हुए हैं। उसके अलावा यहाँ पे मोर देन 51 डेवलपर्स के और एंसिलरी बिजनेस वाले के प्रोजेक्ट्स प्रस्तुत किए गए हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 100 करोड़ प्रोजेक्ट टू 10 लाख रुपीज़ अपार्टमेंट। सो एवरीथिंग इज यहाँ पे है, जिसकी जो क्षमता, जिसकी जो कैटेगरी में काम करते हैं, जिसका जो कनेक्ट हो सकता है, उसके हिसाब से वेराइटी सारी यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल है।
Just adding to what everyone said, Pawan sir said a very important thing that we moved into the time of AI. Today we are developers are extremely dynamic. We do our sales, we do our marketing, we do our push selling, everything through technology. But ultimately you want the human connect, because someone who's buying a house वो अपनी जमा पूंजी वो घर में डालता है, तो he does not want the computer to tell him कि ये developer अच्छा है. He needs the prodding of a channel partner, of an ambassador who knows the developer and who's going to tell him कि नहीं भाई आपको ये घर मिलेगा, आपको ये घर अच्छा मिलेगा, right time में मिलेगा, and this is the home which is the best suited for you. So no matter where we go, AI आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, the human interaction and the human touch needed to buy and sell real estate is extremely important, and that is what we are celebrating here today.
थैंक यू. एनी मोर क्वेश्चन आपकी तरफ से?
Incentives you've launched for the channel partners.
So, as an association, we have not given any incentives, but we have encouraged all our developers to have special schemes. So, I know a lot of them are having 5% brokerage or 7% brokerage, going up to 7% brokerage for all the sales which happen during this tenure or for all the leads that are generated from this, exhibition.
From the association, a certain issue are arise to the association can amicably try to settle the issues between both the affected parties and what is now. But it's been always by an association rather than an individual. So these grievances which are raised to their respective association, and that association transmits they verify that they are level, after which they find it that it is good enough to raise it to our association, and then we try to amicably resolve the issue as an arbiter.
I keep coming back to technology. Technology, fortunately, unfortunately, is moving at an extremely fast pace. So today a lot of tagging issues are coming because of the use of technology. And we also don't know there are sometimes problems which even we cannot solve. So we as developers, individual developers, try to amicably solve the situation between the two channel partners who are involved. Otherwise, now we have our RERA forum as well. RERA MCH is one of the conciliators in the RERA forum as well. So whenever these kind of complaints comes to us, we ensure that we bring it to a logical conclusion rather than let them keep fighting, because ultimately no one wins. It's all about making a compromise and so that everyone's happy.
Also, giving them any additional support, like AI, making of brochures, training them how to convince customers, any hand-holding you are doing for the channel partners.
So that's a great question. In fact, Paman sir told all the channel partners who had come over here, even Chutraji, like I said, that from today we want a lot of input from the channel partners as to what they want from us. So a lot of these associations, because of this expo that we held, we had personal contact with all these associations, and we are constantly asking them, what is it that you are wanting from us as a developer fraternity? So whatever is their wish list, ABC, if we can fulfill any of that, we'll be happy to do it.
So we also organize many seminars where they learn different activities of marketing and how to interact with the customers like that. So we keep on organizing the seminars.
शुक्ला जी, पंकज पांडे को नोबेल टाइम से शुक्ला जी, पंकज पांडे को नोबेल टाइम से सर आप लोग से कनेक्शन तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो आपको चैनल पार्टनर को ट्रेन करने के लिए हम लोग चैनल पार्टनर को ट्रेन करने के लिए हम लोग स्टेप उठा रहे हैं क्या? आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया, उनको क्या क्वारी होगी या आपको ट्रेन करने के लिए, प्रशिक्षित करने के लिए आगे और बेहतर तरीके से वो डील कर सकें?
अभी ये पहला प्रोग्राम है, तो उसको आगे देखेंगे उसको कैसा करने का, साथ में मिलके काम करने वाले।
उनको जो डिफिकल्टी आती है रेरा सर्टिफिकेट अपडेशन की या रेरा सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट करेंगे, रेरा में रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे, उनके लिए हम उनको हेल्प करेंगे, सेमिनार्स करेंगे तो उनको ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगी इंटरेक्शन के लिए। ऐसे काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटी करेंगे। और जैसे सुब्रत जी ने बताया कि आज हम फीडबैक काउंटर है हमारे जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स हैं वो फीडबैक भी ले रहे हैं, तो फीडबैक से बाद में उनको जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन है हमारे एमसी स्टूडेंट की ओर से दैट विल बी फुलफिल्ड।
So, what we realize today is that these channel partner associations are very fragmented. So, you saw there are about 50 channel partner associations. So, we urge and exhort all of them also to come together, which will help our interactions with them in a more professional and a better manner. तो एक बार वो भी एकजुट होकर आ जाते हैं तो हमें भी आसान पड़ेगा कि उनसे इंटरेक्शन करना, उनको कैसे गाइड करना. So, we are speaking to one face.
Whatever I would like to add, RERA is conducting examinations for channel partner to get their RERA number. So in that case, the do's and don'ts are already there and taught before giving them the RERA number. And in regards to the product training, every developer in their offices before their launch of product or during the sustenance stage, they always call channel partner meeting, and they always train in regards to the product which they are offering to the customers right now. So every developer is conducting the same kind of activity today, right now. So the do's and don'ts are being taught by RERA, and the product training which is being given are given by individual developers to the channel partners where they are showcasing their products. So I think it covers most of the aspect of the sales part which is required.
India story itself. So do you see that happening, that NRIs are actually looking at investing in India more? One. And secondly, the questions related to the tax or the call logging issues. Is NCHI likely to come up with, NCHI likely to come up with a guideline in terms of the validity maybe of the call log by the brokers? Maybe the validity of the call log will be maybe 6 months, 1 year. I don't know. I'm just trying to understand. Is there any guideline document or any guideline likely to be issued so as to reduce such issues from happening in future?
So, in terms of answer the first question first, a lot of the people from media have reached out to me in terms of the impact of the war. I keep coming to that again and again. And I keep telling everyone that this is nothing but just a blip. Like, if it were to become like a Russia-Ukraine conflict which goes on for 3 years, 4 years, then maybe we have to think about this. But this reverse migration and everything is too early to talk. Like, it's right now we are in a moment, so we are thinking of all of that. And for the reverse migration to actually happen, we need a lot of support from the government of India as well. Because a lot of laws need to be tweaked to make buying and selling easy and to take their money back. What happens if we are talking about places like Dubai, UAE and everything? To invest is easy, to exit is easy. So we need the entire dynamic change in the industry and how the regulation is affecting FDI in terms of real estate for that to happen. And in terms of the second question, again I keep coming. So again, coming back to the second question, as per industry norm, since it's been going on for so long, there's already an industry norm. Whether it is in writing or no, most people follow a 6-month pattern. That if within 6 months the sale fructifies, then that channel partner tends to gain. But there's never anything. It's fluid, but generally a pattern is there in the market which is followed by the channel partner and the developers both together. And I don't see too many conflicts in that.
Hello sir, myself Utsan India sir, just मुंबई में हो, थाना में हो या नई मुंबई में और मुंबई में आ रहा है, इसके डेवलपर्स और डेवलपमेंट अलग अलग एरिया में हो रहे हैं सर। ये जो इतना डेवलप होने के बाद कॉम्पिटिशन भी है, तो कस्टमर के माइंड सेट को लेके और मार्केट को देख के आप कस्टमर को किस तरह राहत देते हैं पूरा बताइए सर।
प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर है, हम प्रोजेक्ट में क्या क्वालिटी चीज़ दे रहे हैं, क्या डिफरेंस है प्रोजेक्ट में। कस्टमर जब दो प्रोजेक्ट देखता है तो उसके हिसाब से आ सकता है। कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कॉम्पिटिशन से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। हमारे बाजू में और कोई बिल्डर बनाता है, हम भी बनाते हैं। यदि हमारी कोई चीज़ अच्छी चीज़ है तो हमारे यहाँ से लेगा, नहीं तो वहाँ से लेगा।
अगेन एडिंग सर आपके सवाल के ऊपर, आप अगर देखोगे तो यूएसए की जो ग्रोथ स्टोरी है वो रियल एस्टेट के निर्माण की, तो वैसे ही जैसे आप 4 सिटी बोल रहे हो तो 4 सिटी में इतना डेवलपमेंट आएगा, लेकिन इंडिया में लोगों के पास इतने पैसे हैं जो रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्ट कर सके। तो हम एक दूसरे से कम्पीट नहीं कर रहे, हम अपने आप से कम्पीट कर रहे हैं कि हम अपना प्रोडक्ट सबसे अच्छा कैसे बनाएं, सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ कैसे बनाएं कि लोग हमारे यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करें। और इसमें फ़ायदा कस्टमर्स का है, क्योंकि जब हम सब डेवलपर ये कहते हैं कि हमें बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाना है तो आप लोगों को एज अ कस्टमर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चॉइस मिले।